Do you know how to stop your bank from closing you in the ATM business? Stay in the video, I'll give you some tips and tricks. All right, so I made this video because from time to time people get their banks closed, but sometimes the bank's just going to close your account no matter what you do. Other times you can prevent some of the bank closures by following some of these guidelines. This will help you ensure a long time relationship with your bank. Here we go. Without further ado, point number one, be completely transparent. When you're going in to get a bank account, let them know that you're in the ATM business. A lot of people say, you know what, I'm not going to tell them in the ATM business. Hey, we're going to get deposits. You're going to come in, you're going to take money out of the bank. They're going to find out real fast you're in the ATM business. Why are you taking out thousands of dollars in 20s? Because you're in the ATM business. Why are you getting a deposit every day? Because you're in the ATM business. There's not really an easy way to hide it. It's what it is. You're in the ATM business. You're going to put money in every day. You're going to take money out however many times a week. But if you're completely transparent, this will help you down the road. If and when your bank goes to close you down, they say, hey, we don't bank ATM businesses. This will save you a lot of aggravation. So please be transparent in the beginning. This will help with a long longevity of the ATM business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Point number two, keep a detailed report. This is what this means. If you have any kind of partner with your ISO, you can have a report that has how many transactions you guys do on a monthly basis. What's the denomination that you put in? A lot of times my bank has said, hey, how much do you put in a month? What's the denominations? What's the amount that you fill in your ATM? This is all reporting through your ISO. You have access to all this information. My bank asks this every year. Give me a list of all your locations. How much do you put in on an average deposit per location? They want to make sure that we're not laundering money, and this is what they're looking for. Don't get upset if they're asking. Why do they need to know this? They need to know this because their regulators are asking them these questions to make sure that you're not laundering money. So I give them this information. I ask it. We're very transparent to keep a good relationship with the bank. Please keep detailed reports so you can provide them that information if and when they ask for it. So if you're thinking about starting your own profitable ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business so you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. All right, let's get back to the video. Point number 3, build a relationship with the bank. Phil, what does that mean, build a relationship? That means if you have a chance to get a car loan or a house loan or a personal loan, always go to that bank. Sometimes you got to pay a little bit more, maybe a percentage point higher. I know if we went to the bank, you know what, they're going to charge us probably a whole percentage point higher to do a house loan versus if you shop it online. But here's the thing. If you have multiple loans with the bank, then the bank is going to want to keep you in business because they have other business with you. We try to open up all our checking accounts for everything and anything we can with the bank. If the bank offers a credit card, then get the credit card. Maybe you don't even need the credit card, but get it just to have another account with the bank. What you want to do is continue and build that relationship, co-mingle everything you can with that bank. So when the regulators come and say, what is this account? You know what? You can stay in that bank, push back and say, the guy's got 2 car loans, a house loan, a couple credit cards with us. You know what? This is what the bank wants. Multiple streams of income besides your checking account. Point number 4, sometimes it's nice to diversify. Maybe just don't put all your eggs in one basket. Open up another account, maybe another 2 accounts, just in case. Do a couple transactions. If you got multiple ATMs, maybe put one ATM with one bank and another ATM with another bank, just so you have a backup in case your bank gets bought up or sold and they close your account. This happens from time to time. Banks sell, and this is a challenge, and you might have a good relationship, and then all of a sudden the bank sells to a bigger bank, or Chase buys the bank, and boom, you're out. So make sure you do some diversification so you can have another option in case your bank gets shut down. And point number 5, seek friendly ATM financial institutions. What does that mean? That means this is you can always ask, who are the ATM banks that are friendly to the industry? There are banks, especially here in Chicago. We have 4 or 5 banks that are very friendly to the ATM business. Other parts of this country also does too. So depending on where your business is, there are a lot of banks that are friendly. Always stick to the mom and pop banks, those small regional banks. So we have specific banks in the Chicagoland area that are nice, friendly banks to the ATM business. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you're thinking about joining the ATM business but didn't know where to start, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist to find things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business so you can start earning passive income, make more money, and spend more time with your family. If this is interesting to you, click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Thank you guys for making us #1 on YouTube, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.